Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you my belt storage. A lot of people ask me how to store belts. It's a common question, so yeah, basically made a whole drawer thingy with all kinds of stuff. Leather, some basic tools, well, consumables, some sharpening stuff. Also here I keep my 1-inch belts, 2.5 centimeters. As you can see, got a few of those. And my other belts, hold on a second. We're into the grinding room right now, as you can see, I hope. It's a bit dark. On the wall, well, on the door I got belts, used belts basically, that still got some life in them. One on there. Ouch, that did hurt. My 5 centimeter belts or 2-inch belts. Just keeping in this old desk. I mean, plenty of space for upcoming belts and projects. Also my homemade 2x72 grinder with Pokeball on and off switch. I'm not sure if you can see this in this light. As you can see, I need to clean it a bit, but yeah. And that's it for my belt storage. And if you have any questions, leave them down below. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.